I'm Mark, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you my personal recommendations for 4 of the best screen protectors for the iPhone 14 Pro. Oh, and you won't want to miss number 4, as it's a screen protector with privacy mode, and you won't believe how good it is too. Before we get started, you can find links to the screen protectors in the description below. The first screen protector on my list is the Olixar Easy Fit for the iPhone 14 Pro. The Easy Fit is priced at £24.99 or $24.99 US. Included in the pack is one screen protector, an installation tray, a dust removal sticker, as well as a nice large microfiber cloth and screen cleaners. The first and most important thing to remember before installing your screen protector is to turn your phone off. You don't want to be accidentally texting your mum halfway through the installation. Plus, it makes it a lot easier to see any dust left behind. Okay, with all the screen protector installations, let's start by giving that screen a clean. Grab the included wet wipe and get cleaning. Once you think all residue has been removed, take the microfiber cloth and polish the screen until it looks as good as new. Now take the dust sticker and lightly dab the entire phone screen until you're happy that it's dust free. Take the screen protector and the included tray and place the protector into the tray. Don't worry, as there are handy guide holes to ensure you don't get anything wrong here. Once the two pieces are correctly aligned, peel the back protective layer off the screen protector. Then place the whole jig onto your phone. Once you've done this, follow the handy guide shown. Simply slide your finger up a few times, wait a few seconds, then remove the entire tray carefully. As you can see, the installation was simple and the screen protector is barely noticeable while still covering most of your display. Your iPhone 14 will still maintain its sleek and premium look. The next screen protector I'm going to introduce is the Otterbox Trusted Glass Screen Protector. The Otterbox comes in £16.99 or $16.49 US. As you will expect to find with all 4 screen protectors in today's video, you'll get a screen protector, a wet wipe, a dust removal sticker, and with Otterbox you also get a precision installation kit built into the packaging. As with the first installation, with your phone switched off, take your wipe and start to clean the screen, making sure you get rid of all debris. Now take the microfiber cloth and polish the screen so it's not only clean but also completely dry. Now take your massive dust removal sticker, extra points for that one Otterbox, and gently dab away any dust that may be present. When it comes to the installation process for the Otterbox, its incredibly well thought out design makes the application incredibly easy. To apply the protector, simply pull the base of the box towards your body and place your phone in the molded plastic. Now it's as simple as placing the protector downwards towards the screen and fitting the top tab on the notch. Push the circle on the screen, then add some light presses to ensure the screen protector is seated nicely. Then pull back the upper tab while placing your finger in that circle to stop the screen protector lifting. As you can see, another easy install and another screen protector that adds protection to your iPhone 14 Pro while doing nothing to the aesthetic. Top marks for the simple installation method here too. Our third screen protector to make my list is the Olixar Tempered Glass Screen Protector. In the box you can expect to find one screen protector, a wet wipe, a microfiber cloth, and a dust removal sticker. The Olixar Tempered Glass Screen Protector costs £19.99 or $19.49 US. As you may have guessed, the first stage will be cleaning the screen of your iPhone. As before, take your wet wipe and get to work cleaning the screen of your phone. When you're happy, get hold of the microfiber cloth and dry the area until there's no visible marks and the entire screen is bone dry. Now, of course, we're going to take our dust removal sticker and dab the whole screen gently until it's dust free. When it comes to the installation, there are no application tools with this screen protector. But don't worry, as it's still a very easy install. To apply the screen protector, pull off the back tab and carefully place the protector down onto the phone screen, while making sure you're only holding the edges of the screen protector. Once you're happy with the positioning, add a small amount of pressure and a downward swipe from the top to bottom. You should see the screen protector start to fix to the screen nicely. If you still have any bubbles showing, simply take the microfiber cloth and push them from the center outwards until the installation is nice and clean. Overall, a nice screen protector which covers the screen perfectly. However, it is a little hard to install, so if that bothers you, I think you should go for one of the others. Before we take a look at our final screen protector, why not hit that subscribe button and bell notification so you don't miss out on our upcoming Pixel 7 and Pixel Watch videos. Okay, so last but by no means least is the PanzerGlass privacy screen protector for the iPhone 14 Pro. The PanzerGlass screen protector costs £29.99 and $28.99 US. Now, unlike the other entries in today's list, this screen protector, as the name suggests, is an ideal solution for people who like a little bit more privacy. Perfect for the always-on display on the iPhone 14 Pro and Pro Max. When you open the box, you'll find the screen protector, a plastic installation frame, a wet wipe, microfiber cloth, and a huge dust removal sticker. And as you'll know, I love the big dust removal stickers. As with earlier entries, make sure your phone is turned off, then take that wet wipe and get cleaning. Again, once you're happy, use the microfiber cloth to buff the screen and remove any grease while ensuring the screen is completely dry. Now take the dust sticker and dab away until you're completely happy that no dust remains on the screen. You're now ready to install the screen protector. Take the provided jig and place it over your phone. Next, remove the white backing from the screen protector. Once you've done this, place the screen protector into the frame and finish with a light pressured push from the top center downwards. If you're satisfied with the fit, then go ahead and pull the remaining tab to reveal the fitted screen protector. Now let's take a look at how this works. If you look straight at the display, you can clearly see the screen, and it does not affect the brightness of it at all. Then, if you move it side to side, you'll start to see the magic. Trying to look at the screen from the left or right hand side, you'll just see a black display. This is perfect for the iPhone 14 Pro, as the always on display means your messages can be on display for others to see and read. Moving the phone up and down, you'll still be able to see the display. This means you don't have to be 100% accurate and the room for error is not small. Overall, I love this screen protector. So a big well done to everyone over at PanzerGlass. I've been Mark and I hope you've enjoyed today's video. If you have, don't forget to like and of course subscribe, and remember to check the links below to purchase any of these screen protectors.